This is the list Red Cross recommends if you're going to make a first aid kit from home or for in your car. So I've gathered a collection of supplies from our medicine cabinet so I can put it into our first aid kit for us. So we have some gauze, a collection of band-aids, tape. It can be clear, it can be cloth, you just need some sort of tape. Pre-wrap, which can be used to hold on gauze. This is kind of like tape that sticks to itself. This is an ace bandage, which can be used to wrap up ankles or wrists or something if they're injured. Germ-X, gotta have clean hands. Tweezers. Triple antibiotic ointment. If you don't have the little packets, you can use the big tube. Hydrocortisone or anti-itch cream. Scissors. A tick remover, so removes ticks very easily. Emergency blanket. Some sort of pain medication. Didn't have any small bottles, so we took the big one. First aid mask or breathing barrier, and then a collection of gloves, and that'll complete your first aid kit. I have some extra things here. We have band-aids, gauze, bigger band-aids, some pain ointment or some burn cream, all of which are good things to have if they don't fit into your first aid kit.